Canfix Emergency Repair Kit is a complete system for making emergency repairs to a wide variety of pipe materials. First, release any water pressure if necessary. Next, clean and roughen the area to be repaired. Then break off a piece of epoxy and massage it briefly. Press the epoxy into the crack or crevice to be repaired. Wearing gloves, soak Canfix tape in temperate water for 20 seconds. Using the entire roll, wrap Canfix approximately 2 inches above the repair area and continue wrapping about 2 inches below the repair area. Squeeze and meld the Canfix tape in the direction of the wrap, removing excess water and spreading the resin until tacky to the touch. Allow 30 minutes to completely cure at 21 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and the repair is complete.